Hey love, let me ask you this real quick. Have you ever wanted to grow online without showing your face, spending hours editing or figuring out what to say? Same here, and I just found the perfect shortcut for you. This particular platform is doing the most, and I mean it. All you need to do is to type in a topic or even just drop a Reddit link and it gives you everything. A voiceover, a script, stock visuals, captions, and boom, you've got a faceless, ready to post video in seconds. No camera, no stress, no excuse. Just take a look at this video so you can know what I'm talking about.
Have you ever wondered how the United Kingdom flag came to be? In 1895, a young inventor named Guglielmo Marconi lived in Italy. He was fascinated by the idea of wireless communication. People relied on wires to send messages, but Marconi dreamed of breaking those barriers. His family supported his passion, even as others scoffed. One chilly day, amid swirling thoughts, Marconi conceived.
Guys, faceless content isn't just trending, it's paying people serious money. Some creators are making up to $2,000 a month consistently, and others, they've probably scaled to about $10,000 to $100,000 per year, just repurposing content with tools like this. So if you have been sitting on your YouTube dreams or feeling too shy to show up, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the platform. The platform is called Short.ai. I'm going to be showing you how to use this step by step and show you how you can turn your ideas into real income. And yes, I've definitely dropped the link for you in the description. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So guys, all you need to do is to come to your browser and type out Short.ai. When you log in, it's going to allow you to create an account with your email. So let's go through this platform step by step so as to understand how best to utilize this. This allows you to automate from content creation to posting your content on your platforms. This is so amazing. So if I come here, click on my profile, it allows me to add channels directly on the platform so that if I want to post anything, I will be able to post. So as you can see, I have one of my faceless content already here. You can add up to, I think, 3 channels depending on what kind of platform or what kind of plan you are using. So you can add up to 3 for free, and then if you want more, then you need to upgrade your subscription. Basically, that is it. So you can see you can add YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Currently I have just my YouTube on here. So let's go back to the home page and then see what we have here. So as you can see, you are able to turn a long clip into a short clip. So this allows you to basically use either a YouTube link or upload a video and then turn it into a short clip. Let me show you how this works. So guys, I'm just going to drop the YouTube link of mine here, and then we're going to click on get clips. This takes literally minutes, and then it's going to generate lots of clips that I can then use as shorts for my content. So take a look at this, guys. He's asking what kind of video type is it, the aspect ratio, and then the length. You can decide to choose varieties of length that you want. So I'll just use this one, automatic, and then let's see, get clips. So guys, just take a look at this. It has already split the videos into, let's say, 6 amazing short clips. So you can play each one and see how it is. You can just click here and download. It generated and also added your captions to it. So this is amazing, guys. So this is one of the many uses that you can use. Now you can also add captions directly to your videos. All you need to do is to upload your video here, and then you can add your captions. You can create scripts right here on the platform using the Gemini tool that is embedded in this platform. But my favorite parts of this particular platform is the video creation. So on here you can make different kind of stories, ranging from your superhero stories, Reddit stories, AI stories. It also has a lot of templates that you can use, like the history templates, AI stories, fake text, Reddit stories. So a lot of things like that you can use. Isn't this amazing, guys? It has a lot of things. So we're just going to click on one of them to show you how it works. You can also access this directly from the left hand side here, or just click on a particular template that you like. So I'm just going to click on this AI story create now, and so you see it has different versions that you can use: interesting history, long form jokes, bedtime stories, and lots more. So all you need to do is to click the particular one you want to create or what your channel will be about, and then you can use it. Or you can create a custom prompt here and then you can generate the video, but I prefer to use the template because it's more straightforward. So let's try the interesting history. So as you can see, you can pick the language of choice if you don't want to make the video in English, and then you can pick a particular hook. You can use ChatGPT to help you with a particular hook idea that you like, or you can just pick up something that is going on viral on YouTube. So let me try something like, have you ever wondered how the United Kingdom created its flag? So something like this. And then for the video ending, like your call to action, so you can do something like, thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe. So after that, then you can pick if it's a 30 to 60 seconds, 60, so depending on how many seconds you want the video to be, and then you click on generate script. So it's going to use your hook idea and your call to action to generate a script for you. So you can see this is a script that we already have, and then all you need to do is to click on next, or you can do your own custom script depending on which one you like, and then you click on next. When you click on next, as you can see on the top right hand corner, you can decide if you want a landscape version, an Instagram version, or the short form content for your shorts, Facebook and TikTok. Then down here you have different background styles. So I feel like this oil painting one will resonate with historical facts, so let's use that. And then you click on next. Once you click on next, it is going to go ahead and tell you to pick a particular subtitle, that's if you want it, or you can just turn it off if you want to add this out of the platform. So let's just pick this one, and then let's click on next. When you click on next, it's going to ask you which particular voice you want in the background, that's the narrator. You can play each one to listen to what kind of voice you want. When you select the particular voice you want, you click on generate video. So this is going to take a couple of seconds, and then it's going to generate your amazing video for you. So just take a look at this, guys, and just like that, this is done. Just take a look at it with the caption, the narration, the pictures, everything. It's directly linked to the story, so this is really amazing. So once this is ready, all you need to do is either you download it directly, or you can directly post on your platform. So when I click on post, I already have my YouTube channel linked to this, so if I wanted to do this, I can easily just post directly on here. I can even schedule the post to which platform I want to do. If there was more than one, it will ask me which particular platform am I sending to, and that is it. So isn't this amazing, guys? So let me just save this as draft so I can go and show you guys the rest. So guys, as you can see, if you click on anyone, it's basically the same way. You put in your content, and then it's going to help you generate it. This is for Reddit. You can import directly from your Reddit if it's connected, or you can use an AI script. So has a lot of tools that you can actually use. And then down here you also check your, it allows you to check your content, that is your project that you've already worked on. You're able to see them here, and then under publish you're able to directly see your calendar. So guys, this is what we call automation. It has everything you need. You create your content directly from here, and then you can schedule and post them and then relax. So all you need to do is to pick a particular day that you are less busy, create all your content using this particular template, come under publish, schedule them, and boom, they automatically get posted for you. Isn't this amazing? So guys, what are you waiting for? Go to my description, click on that link, and get started on your money making journey using YouTube automation. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful in any way, please click that subscribe button. Let me know what you feel in the comments. If you have questions, I am more than happy to answer you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.